Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Glossybox Mystery Box. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. So I got this for $20 and it includes 2 past Glossybox plus $5 to ship. So I'm excited to see. I believe right now the mystery bundle is completely sold out, so you can't even get it. But let's see what I got. Huh. This is why I don't do this live. I usually open it up and that is it. So the first box I see is this one. Now I know I didn't get this box. Oh, that's lovely. So this says thank you for the love. So let's open this one. Open. Okay, so usually it's tied up. This time it wasn't. I'm not sure why, but thank you for the love. Let's see here. I believe this was actually November's box. Okay, so now this is one I didn't get. Yeah, so this is a November box. I believe this would have been 2018 because I kind of quit at that point. So it's a fairly newer box. So I do love the way that Glossy packages the box. So I'm kind of excited. This is a 2-in-1 serum mask, and holy moly, they weigh a ton. So now I do have this serum upstairs from Glossybox All I Want Christmas box. So I'm excited to maybe try and use these both together. So this is here, remove film, carefully unfold mask and apply over clean, dry skin. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. Remove, discard, massage any remaining serum to skin. Do not rinse. So I believe this tells me how much the serum is. Now it says full size $22, 1 sheet. Featured size 2 sheet mask. So this is $22 a piece. I am not 100% sure. I'll have to look that up and let you know. So I'm kind of excited. I am going to keep 1 mask at least for myself. Sorry guys, something in my eye. So the next thing I see here is Georgia Robin McGraw by Robin McGraw moisturizing hand cream. Let's see here. It's by essence of Robin McGraw's Mother Georgia nourishing mango butter antioxidant rich milk hydrates, repairs, and protects the skin. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling smooth but never slippery. It is perfect for the woman to go. So this says here featured size $20. Really? I can already smell it. It's very perfumey. Oof. So the next item I see is Kendra. So this is shaping spray, extra firm hold hairspray. New for max moisture retention. So here it says, tame frizzes and flyaways and give your hair a 24-hour defense against humidity, and Kendra's dry oil control spray. Breakthrough technology combines the power of medium hold hairspray with the touchability you need for the look. Perfect look every time. Oh, no, sorry, this is a shaping spray, sorry. So it says it not only holds hair in place, but allows you to sculpt your look as the first alcohol-free hairspray. It retains your moisture at your scalp while giving your hair a great shine. Used by professional hairstylists. It brings the hair salon to your bathroom. Actually, I believe this is actually one of the boxes I did want, but for some reason I did not get. So with that being said, now this says it's $19 for an 8-ounce. So this is a 1.5 ounce. So that's not even half the size, but it is a good size to take with you if you need to go somewhere. So the next thing I do see here is Lauren B. Beauty Reparative Cuticle Oil. Revive and heal cuticles with custom blend of 14 plants and flower oils. So this is a $22 value. This is full size. So I do have one upstairs. Actually, it was given to me. I don't know. Can you see that? Ooh. There we go. And I have used it once or twice. I'm gonna have to get back into using it. My nails are very, very brittle. The next time I see is the Steve Laurent lip gloss in eggplant. This is a $22 for full size. This is full size. So right there, this is a pretty expensive box. And considering only one item, this is the only item that isn't full size. So I do like Steve Laurent's lipsticks. I like his lip oil. That is really, really pretty. I'm not sure I can pull it off. Let's see here. Let's see. Actually, this isn't a bad color. Now, I have some issues with my lipstick getting everywhere, but actually, that's a really, really, really nice red for me, I think. I definitely like that. I like how moisturizing it is. So that is the end of one box. So right there is $100 worth of stuff. It's not an old box, so I'm actually kind of happy with that. So the next one I got is Glossy. Now I'm not sure which box this was. I'm wondering if I got this one. Huh. This one has it tied up. The other one did not for some reason. Maybe somebody got lazy. Anyway, so let's see here. So, coming soon. Mother's coming soon. I don't want to look at that. I want to look. No, I did not get this. April. So this is April's glossy box. So I did not get this one. I didn't get many glossy boxes this year, actually. So, ooh, lots of goodies. So what I'm seeing here is John Masters Organics Conditioner and shampoo. Now, I do believe I have tried these before, but not in this scent. Ooh, that one has lavender and rosemary. And this has citrus and neroli. Okay, so those smell good. So let's see here. Obviously, those are not full size. Full size 8 ounces, feature size 2 ounces. Full size value is $19. So, I mean, that's a quarter of the size. So, at $19, if we round that up to one, be $5 roughly. For now, I wonder if that's okay. So that's 2 ounces each. So maybe like $10 for the set. I'm not sure. No silicone, please. John Masters Organic Citrus and Neroli Conditioner. We'll add some extra needed boost. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, they're about $5 a piece. So they have the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so the next item I see is Kiehl's Glow Formulator Skin Hydrator. Now, there is actually 2 of these. Two. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. So full size value is 50 mils, and it's worth $38, and I got a 10 mils, so that's a good question. How much is that? It's like, I don't know, like, that isn't I'm just disappointed. Like, these are kind of tiny, but I mean, if they're really good, then fine. But that's So the next one I see here is Derma E Essentials Overnight Peel. I believe actually that okay. So I believe actually I have another one of the products upstairs that I'm waiting to try. So this is a full size is 2 ounces. This is actually featured at 7 mils. Full size value of $19. Well, the other box had so many full size at great values from November. I'm guessing it maybe it was from November 2017. No, it was 2000. I don't know. Like, this is just weird. Like, anyway. Okay, so this peel will take over the night shift and even out your skin's complexion while you are sound asleep. Derma E believes that skin health can be visibly improved through the right combination of potent vitamins, wholesome nutrients, and exceptional ingredients. With its vegan-friendly, non-abrasive alpha-hydroxy acids, you can rest easy knowing your skin is in good hands. I will definitely be trying that. So the next item I do see is BYIB Plumper Natural Lip Balm, a lip balm that plumps, moisturizes, and gives a glossy look all day. Yes, please, BYIB Lip Plumper does it all in a sugarcane, eco-friendly tube and 100% all natural ingredients. Okay, so this says here it's full size as featured, retail value of $14. Okay, and definitely, let's see here. I'm really, really liking this color. I kind of like that, actually. That kind of, I can feel it moisturizing, and I can kind of feel like it's, but it made the lipstick feel more like, or, yeah, like, I don't know, what do you call that? What did I say? Let's see here. Okay, what do they call this? Lip gloss. Okay, so this makes it feel more like a balm, which is kind of nice, like a lipstick. I kind of like that. I like those two together. Okay, so that was full size. So then the next item I see here is Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Cream Eyeshadow Stick. Colors vary. I can't read that. That is just crazy. I have thought I had really good eyes. So this is in Stone Rocher. Okay. Well, I don't know. I like Juice Beauty, so I might try this. This is a full-size value at $22. So it's an eyeshadow built in with anti-aging ingredients, question mark. We expected nothing less from Juice Beauty's cream eyeshadow stick. There it is. Anti-aging. So I'm going to give this a try. I don't know. It's a nice brown, so I'll probably like use it as a base. So it says here, expect nothing less from Juice Beauty Cream Eyeshadow Stick line. Juice Beauty practices farm-to-table ethics, meaning they own their very farms. All their products ingredients are sourced from to ensure the organic composition of clean, friendly beauty products that are great for your skin. For your sheer look, we recommend a small stroke across the eyelid with minor blending. But if you want more extreme dramatic look, prep the eyelid first with a finishing powder and layer until you reach the desired effect. Okay, so this was like an all organic box. Now a lot of the sizes were not full size. So with that being said, this box kind of sucks. Just saying. It's great to have a box that is like, all natural vegan, whatever you want to call it. Like, I mean, it's a beautiful box. It's a well put together formulated box. It's just that there's no reason for some of these to be a bigger size, if not the full size, especially when you're giving away 2 masks that are worth $22 in another box. Like, that's the one thing I don't like about Glossy, is that their variations do vary in value and in products. And not in products, you get 5 products or 4 products. But how many products was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products. Very rarely you ever get 6. I'm really kind of surprised about this. But, I mean, sash. For the price, for $20, I did get quite a bit. And actually, most of it, if not all of it, I will use, except for maybe the really heavy perfumed hand stuff. I had a really long day at work. I am blaming it on that. So, it's a little bit of everything. I can't even show you all what I got. Like, look, more. There's hair stuff, there's nail stuff, there's lip stuff, there's eye stuff, there's shampoo, there's, you know, that's hair stuff. So, I mean, not too bad, actually. I kind of wish there was, more of these boxes left, because I tell you guys to go run out and grab one. So anyway, yes, I am thinking about doing a bit of a giveaway. I'm not exactly sure what to do with all this stuff, because a lot of stuff I do like, and I did try on some stuff. But leave a comment below what you think of this box. I'm trying to team up with FunFitFab to see if I can get some free stuff for you guys to give away. I'm kind of excited about that. The other thing is my Boxy pop-up store stuff is coming. It's in Toronto. I'm so excited for that. I'll be doing an unboxing for that, and hopefully my FabFitFun edit sale stuff comes in. It gets shipped soon, and I can unbox that with you guys. Yeah, so anyway, if you guys could like, share, and comment, and let me know what you think of these boxes. Thanks for watching.